Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem. Solution: 10 minus square root of 99 in whole square root. Now this 99 can be written as 9 times of 11. So we are going to apply this here. So 10 minus 9 times of 11 in square root in whole square root. Now we are going to apply this square root of AB equal to square root of A times square root of B. So 10 minus square root of 9 times square root of 11 in whole square root. Now 10 minus the square root of 9 is 3 square root of 11 in whole square root. Now we are going to multiply by this 1. 10 minus 3 square root of 11 in whole square root. Now 1 can be written as 2 by 2. So 2 by 2 times 10 minus 3 square root of 11 in whole square root. Now this can be written as 2 times of 10 minus 3 times of square root of 11 by 2 in whole square root. Two times of 10 minus 3 square root of 11 by 2 in whole square root. Now we are multiplying this 2 here. So 2 times of 10 is 20 minus 2 times of 3 times of square root of 11 by 2. Now this 20 can be written as 20 equal to 11 plus 9. This we are going to apply here. So 11 plus 9 minus 2 times of 3 times of square root of 11 whole divided by 2 in whole square root. Now we are going to apply this a equal to square root of a square. This we are going to apply here. Square root of 11 square plus this 9 can be written as 3 square minus 2 times of 3 times of square root of 11 by 2 in whole square root. Now looking this, we are going to apply this algebra formula here. A square plus b square minus 2 times of a b equal to a minus b whole square. This formula we are going to apply here. So square root of 11 minus 3 whole square by 2 in whole square root. Now a by b in square root can be written as square root of a by square root of b. This we are going to apply here. Square root of 11 minus 3 whole square by square root of 2. Now this square and square root will cancel each other. Now we have square root of 11 minus 3 by square root of 2. Now square root of 11 minus 3 by square root of 2, we are going to multiply by square root of 2 and divide by the same square root of 2. Now square root of 2 times square root of 11 minus 3 by square root of 2 times square root of 2. Now multiplying this, square root of 2 times square root of 11 minus 3 times square root of 2 by, this is square root of 2 square. Now the square and square root will cancel each other. Now we have square root of 2 times square root of 11 minus 3 square root of 2 by 2. Now we are going to apply this square root of a times square root of b equal to square root of ab. This we are going to apply here. So we will get square root of 2 times 11 minus 3 times square root of 2 by 2. So we have square root of 22 minus 3 square root of 2 by 2. This is the final answer for given problem. Thanks for watching this video.